Welcome back and welcome to the channel where we make clay DIY tutorials a lot more. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this small cute simple kids clay ring. Okay, this is a very short ring. I can wear it in my last finger. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos, and make sure you grab our top 100 clay jewelry DIYs PDF. It contains top 100 clay jewelry ideas that you could use it as a template PDF download. The link is in the description box below. Let's dive into this tutorial. A beautiful kids clay marble ring. It's very simple, very straightforward. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video with a new amazing DIY. Till then, take care. Bye guys.